Hello Taekookers, you are not ready for what I am about to share with you all. Yesterday, we got a live from Taekook together, which already had us melting, right? But what happened later is even crazier. Last night, Taehyung went live again, alone, from his bed, looking relaxed, almost about to sleep. But towards the end of that live, something very suspicious happened. Listen closely, I will play this video.
자, 한 10초 뒤에 딱 봅니다. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 오케이. Okay.
Did you hear that? That snoring sound? Does it sound familiar? Yes, it exactly sounds like Jungkook. We all know Jungkook snores a lot and even BTS members have talked about it. And guess what? Just minute after that snore, Taehyung seemed a little panicked and ended that live. Why? Because someone was clearly next to him. And if you notice, the camera angle never moved. The sound came from nearby and the timing is just too perfect. Taekook had been together earlier and now this? You connect the dots, right? What do you think, Taekookers? Let me know in the comment, and thank you so much for watching this video. It just proves that Taekook is definitely real, and nowadays the most happiest person in the world are Taekookers, right? Anyway, Taekook forever and ever. See you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, and I purple you.